Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Finally, we have the 2022 Ram 1500 TRX. Obviously, most of you know I daily drive a Challenger Hellcat, even though I don't drive it all that much. So I've always wanted to try, I've finally tried the Trackhawk, I've tried the Charger, I've always wanted to try one of these. And I finally have the opportunity. So this one's a 2022 level 2, I believe. No, it's a level 1, and the owner ordered a 21, but they didn't have these in a level 1, the panoramic, the Harman Kardon, and all that. So that's where that came in. Upper and lower pulley, Resonator delete. Those are your big performance mods in this truck. Now, my father has a 17 Rebel. Obviously not a TRX. So all your modes. That goes straight into Baja. Oh, that's pretty cool. Fishman paddles. All right. So now I need to try the Raptor R. Because if it's anything like this, I'm gonna fall head over heels for it. You of course have launch control. I drove 2 hours to drive this truck. I've never been to Cape Cod, and now I'm on Cape Cod. So pardon me if I don't know where I'm going, because I'm kind of making up this loop as we go. It's basically a result of, all right, I got lost, now how do I get myself out of here? This truck is just absolutely stupid. Yeah. That's the one thing with this, and I noted it in the Trackhawk video. The difference between this and my car, on the highway, they don't feel as fast. But under 60 miles an hour, these feel way faster because they actually hook. Oh. Resonator deletes are a beautiful thing. Pulleys are a beautiful thing. Alright, you're a big heavy truck. How can you handle? Okay, I feel like I'm doing a lot faster than 40 because a truck like this shouldn't drive like that. And now that we're cruising on the highway, it's comfortable. Very comfortable. good old ZF 8-speed. This could be a daily driver all day long. But the real fun, and this is where I was talking about top end on highway, it's not as fast as your own Hellcat, because this thing's a truck. Trucks shouldn't do what this truck does. A truck shouldn't do that. I've had a bunch of Rams. I've had the chance to drive a ton of Rams. That's either a fake Callaway that he up-badged, or that's a real Callaway in front of us. I'm thinking more towards the former. But I've driven tons of these trucks. This thing is just so stupidly fun. So much fun. That actually is a real Callaway. Okay. Because I see the supercharger on the hood. Or the supercharger bump on the hood. That's a real Callaway. I apologize if this owner's watching that. Oh my God. What a machine. Oh my goodness, what an awesome car. Oh, yeah, this is stupid. This is absolutely stupid, but man, I love it. I do like the paddle shifters a lot better than my car. They're in two sections because there's volume controls on the back of the steering wheel, and you obviously wouldn't be able to fit your hand in between the paddle and the back. So it's kind of cut away. And I actually, when I saw pictures, I'm like, that's stupid. Here, it works. It's weird, but it works. This is my first time ever on Cape Cod, and man, I love this. This reminds me so much of Newport. I went to school at URI for a year, so I've spent tons of time in Newport. This is gorgeous down here. And when I say this truck just portrays massiveness in a way that most trucks can't, that's 100% legitimate. It's just massive. Absolute massive. And the feeling you get while driving it, it's it's next level. I need to try a Raptor R now. Because as of right now, this is probably one of, if not my favorite pickup truck. Oh, what if I tried an SRT10 Ram manual? That would be game changing. But as of right now, this thing is just stupid. It's quick. It's really quick. And it just hauls more than the groceries, that's for sure. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.